You've made over $200 in the last 24 hours. Remember, yesterday we opened the trade with $488 99 cents, and today the account have grown to $722 30 cents. Okay, let's go back to the trading floor. And then um yesterday we had some good trade when the market rose to $64,900. Then we had a lot of cash out. Then we also have some bad trade that we closed. You can see we closed a negative $10 here. Then we had some $12, $11 here, $12 here, and then we closed some minor trades here, and then a lot more. So today when the market dropped to 62,000 um $300, we also make some catch out today in that moment. And also as the market moves up to 64,000 again, we also make some trade. So I will be dropping some tutorial videos next week as we move along, so that those people that are interested in trading crypto or forex market in general should be able to learn. And there's a platform, and we'll be dropping those tutorial videos for free. And then for now, we don't have signals for now, but we will do that in due course. But now we are just showing you what trading looks like. It's very risky. One thing you should note that is it's a risky game. It's not a get rich quick scheme. And also, for you to be successful, you have to be patient and you have to be persistent. Don't allow your emotion to play with you, because this market can be tricky. You can play with your emotion and then you make wrong decisions. So if you don't want to make those bad decisions, the best thing is for you to try and exercise patience, and then know when to enter the market and also know when to exit the market. If the market goes against you, you can as well exit the market when the time is right. Okay. What I do mostly, I use Binance to analyze the market, then go back to my broker, which is a Octa, to execute a trade. So as you can see, I see this market coming down back to 62,000 again before anything can happen. Let's see a 4 hour um, candle. I still believe that in the next 4 hours or so, or before tomorrow morning, this market should head back to 62,600 dollars. So when you look at the stats and what the market is saying today, I believe the price will drop back to 62,000, and I'll be able to make some profit out of it. If it doesn't go that way, I still have a strategy on ground. If it goes up back to 64,000 plus, or rather 65,000, there's still opportunity to make money. So stick back, and then subscribe to this channel if you want content like this, because as I said earlier, I'll be dropping tutorial videos on how to trade forex market and crypto in general. I only focus on Bitcoin, and then sometimes I trade Euro USD. Those are the pairs that I trade. So if you want to join me and learn how to trade daily, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. You can as well share it with your friends that are also interested. Okay, moving on, and then I believe that you can make money with forex market if you're open to learning the skills, and then apply them. So I'll be dropping my own knowledge in the forex market for you, And then you can as well as share with me in the comment section if you are a pro trader. I know a lot of you are good in this business, so also share your ideas with me, what you think I'm not doing right in this trade. You can as well share with me. But overall, I've grown this account. I deposited $100 in this account on Friday. So between Friday and now, I've grown $100 to $722, and I believe I will hit my target, which is to grow this account to 5,000 US dollars. So you stick with me as we move along in this journey together. This is my daily trading diary. Welcome to Moneyline once again, and have a lovely day. Always remember to be profitable in whatever you are doing. Stay safe.